upon the wind. It called my name, it drew me in, through shattered skies and hollow halls. A quiet love, it softly falls. I lay